Although a data-driven and customer-centric approach usually comes from the top, there are some tactical things business managers can do to drive the change from within, putting data on boardroom agendas in the process. And key to this is understanding that insight is not just about data and analytics. That's just the beginning. The rest is processes, systems, people, and communication. So a good place to start is getting an idea of all the systems your project is going to impact, and therefore which stakeholders to engage. Do the desk research here and understand who it will touch. Next, plan. Flex your project management skills to come up with a task and timing plan. You'll need this for success. Then, get your key sponsors in place. Tell them what you're trying to do and point out the benefits to them. Put together mini business cases and run through these with each stakeholder on a one-to-one basis. Treat all your internal customers like external ones. Think about the key message for each of them just as you would your external customers. And finally, get your benchmarks, KPI, and metrics in order. This comes up a lot in our videos because it's so important, especially when you're trying to get business buy-in. And difficult as it may seem, try not to be the politician. Think about the long term rather than the short term. Organisations that struggle to achieve a data-driven culture usually miss out on one or more of the components we've just covered, systems in particular. And if you forget about the systems, you invariably forget about certain teams or people. Oh, and don't overlook things like IT release windows or roadmaps. These very often forecast out in terms of months and years, so they need to be accounted for. If you cover all these bases and get it right, you'll not only yield great customer results, but you'll get internal recognition too. And who doesn't want a pat on the back?